I did not know that. I feel like that's something Shane might know, actually. Dang, that's scary. All right, welcome in everybody, everywhere. This is the start of 2022-23 Upper Deck Series 2 NHL 6-box break. Pick your team number 2. Andrew D. Lynn, you will be refunded for the Capitals as they were oversold. Order number 1233412. Let's get started. Andrew D. Lynn, you did get a team in this break. That is the Minnesota Wild. Aris.AR7 with the Oilers. Ben Loy with the Canadiens and the Kings. Chris Moe 1 with the Jets and the Panthers. Dayboda 1 with the Avalanche, Golden Knights, Sharks, and Bruins. Hashiruna Makamono 0327 with the Kraken. JKR 566 with the Red Wings. JM with the Flames, Predators, and Blues. JT06 with the Blue Jackets. Cool Bong with the Flyers. Matt Rennick 89 with the Ducks. M. Miller Jr. with the Penguins. Nazma Khan 1954 with the Senators. P. Walsh 302 with the Sabres. Sean Toe 9 with the Rangers, Blackhawks, and Devils. Tourville 20 with the Hurricanes and Islanders. 2 Wolf QB with the Canucks, Capitals, Maple Leafs, and Lightning. And Yuchi Vincent with the Dallas Stars and Coyotes. Alrighty, I'm hyped. Best of luck to everybody. Good luck, good luck, good luck. And our next break is pinned in the chat. All teams are discounted. Let's pull some young guns. We got 36 young guns on the horizon. Let's see them, let's see them. Best of luck, everybody. Hopefully y'all are enjoying your day. Good Friday. Anyone got any plans this weekend? Any baseball games or hockey games or soccer matches or XFL football or CFL football? Is CFL in season? That I don't know. Any sports related plans you guys got this weekend? Yo, Matt. That's nuts. Jeez. Did you call your shot? You must have. Congrats, my friend. You know what? Let me go grab something real quick. I'll be right back. Had to get my handy dandy basket because all I do is make buckets. Just kidding. I tend to miss a lot of them. The nice thing is it's off camera and you guys don't know that I miss a lot of them. I always wanted to be a shooter in the NBA or even in the NHL, but I could not skate when I played hockey. Any of you guys play hockey recreationally? Or roller hockey? Hey! Got a bowl? That's cool. Is she like in a bowling league? Is that what you mean? You're like taking her spot? Is that how I interpreted it? Interpretate it? I don't even know how to say that word. That's cool. What's the highest any of you guys have scored in bowling? It's such a tough sport. And yes, it is a sport. I think my highest, I think I've only broken a 200 like once or twice in my lifetime. I don't think that's very good. We got any 300s in here? Or what's the best score of Wii bowling you guys have ever had? Any turkeys? I think that's what, 3 strikes in a row? Oh, my man Ghostbreaker yesterday saved me. Gave me some nice pointers on how to open up these Upper Deck packs. Okay, sick, Jeremy. Best of luck, my man. How big are teams in competitive bowling, if I may ask? Oh, Jeremy, you're a pro already. Okay, Matt, you sound like a pro as well. Whoa. Okay, we got some professional bowlers up here. Let's go. Gotta love the hobby. Be meeting everybody everywhere. It's kind of why I say that before every stream. Because once the live stream goes on and the breaks start to get broken, it's literally everybody from everywhere. All different stories. Very cool to me. Man. So, alright, so let's talk about some bowling strategy. Because the way I do it is I go for that front pin. But considering I've never hit 300, I don't think that's the right way to do it. Do you guys put some spin on it? And do you guys have your own balls? Is that important to have your own bowling ball? I see. I knew it. I knew it. Once we started breaking a hockey product, we're going to talk about literally anything in sports other than hockey. It always seems like that's the case. But you guys know me. I'm down to shout about whatever. You guys are kind of motivating me to go check out a bowling alley this weekend. I don't know if I've ever wanted my own bowling ball, but I've always wanted my own bowling shoes. Because the ones I always get, they always seem to have like ripped laces. So I think that might, since I dabble in that. And if you guys are bowlers, y'all know the infamous meme. Oh, now I'm blanking on it. What's the quote? Who do you think you are? I am. Who do you think you are? I am. Just one of the best sports quotes ever. Equipment and you hit the pocket between the 1 and 3 pin. Okay. Yeah, I'm a righty. 1 and 3 pin. All right. And that's like a guarantee to get a 300, right? I hope so. All right. Best of luck, everybody. We're already starting off with a nice shiny superstar, Peter Kochetkov for the Hurricanes. That was numbered 157 to 250. Congratulations, Carolina, with our first hit of the break. Check out that pinned link in the chat, you guys. There's an Elders. And we will be doing artifacts next. We're chasing rookie Trevor Zegras and Lucas Raymond and Lucas Reichel. There's our first young gun for the Canadians. It is a canvas too. This will be top loaded. That is all right. You guys told me how to pronounce this once before. This is Arbor. I want to say it's hockey or jockey, but it is spelled Xhekaj, and I am confuzzled. But congratulations to the Canadians, because that is a sweet one. Just don't know how to pronounce it. Our bowling ball is expensive. UD canvas of Alexander Barkov for the Panthers from Florida. Rookie portrait, Jacob Moverare. Thomas Bordelot rookie. Bernier for Calder, Matty Bernier. It's a nice one for the Kraken. Did I miss a young gun? There's our lunchbox of Adam Fox for the Rangers. Did I miss a young gun? Alright, we'll see. Because we're supposed to be getting 6. Alright, I only saw 1. There we go. Adam Huska young gun for the Rangers. That will be going to Charlie McAvoy. Winnipeg or postcard. We've got our Dazzlers. Lucas Dostal, goalie for the Ducks. Oh my gosh, I thought they'd be like $30 to $50. Okay, that's the real deal right there. Samuel Fagemo, UD portrait rookie for the Kings. I will go to McKinnon and the Avalanche. It was? I did miss it? Alrighty. I must have been looking somewhere else. Appreciate you guys. Sorry about that. So used to the older designs. They definitely changed it up this year. Bum, bum, bum. Oh, yeah, okay. We'll just slow it down. Slow it down. You guys were so gracious when we did a lure, did the jersey numbers that I missed. So I really appreciate you guys. Yep, you're absolutely right. I totally did skip right past him. Wakanji Imama, Young Guns for the Coyotes. Sweet. Let's just make sure I didn't miss any more. Really appreciate you guys. And that should not happen again. All right. Sweet. Teamwork, baby. How you doing today, Dave? Nice to meet you. My name is Ty. Welcome in, my friend. Do you have any teams in this break, or are you just viewing today? There we go. Line is Hogberg for the Flyers. Young Gun. UD canvas of Philip Grober for the Kraken. Was Crack-a-lackin'. We got Timo Meyer. Oh, Canucks. Was there another Young Guns from the Canucks? Man. Let's see if we have 6. How am I missing all these? I didn't miss any yesterday. Elmer Soderblom for the Red Wings. Alright, so far we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so 6 should be in here. If not, we missed a Canuck one. I love these instant impressions of Brady to Chuck. That's so sweet. Wow. No kidding. Rookie material Jordan Harris for the Canucks. Of Canadians. Wow. Sweet. Well, if we don't have 6, I've got no problem checking it again. Very nice jersey right there. Jordan Harris. Sweet. That will be top loaded before shipment. Congrats, Canadians. And no more missing Young Guns, Ty. Alright, Marcus Folgino. That is a canvas for the Wild. There he is. Jake Sanderson for the Ottawa Senators. Young Gun. Fantastic. Alright, we got all 6. Appreciate you guys. Teamwork makes that dream work. Alright, on to box number 2. Has anyone ever been to a Winter Classic? We've only had it once here in the Bay Area. I believe it was only once, where the Sharks played at the 49ers football stadium. But I've always been jealous of those who are Chicago Blackhawks supporters when they have the Winter Classic at Wrigley, and I believe they had, yeah, I believe it was at Wrigley, and then in Boston. I think that'd be so cool to go to a hockey game at Fenway Park. I know it's freezing cold, but that is definitely on my bucket list. I missed 2 Young Guns. Okay, so we had 7 Young Guns in that box. All right, let's see it. Thank you, Dave. Appreciate you, my man. Let's do this real quick, because I should not be missing these. I'm going to be laser focused. We're looking for the Canucks Young Gun. Alright, stack 1. Oh, I totally forgot about that Tahoe one. Alright. I just need to be quiet real quick so I can focus. I appreciate you though, Matt. Okay, Canucks. Take my breath. Alright, it must be in stack number 3. Not a problem. Let me go through this pretty quickly. I love these cards, though. This feels just like when we did jersey numbers in Allure. But then once I did find it, we never missed him again. Where are you from, Matt? California, it sounds like? I apologize if you have told me before. But I totally forgot about the Tahoe one. That's when they played the Knights and they used those gold helmets. That's right. Oh, you're absolutely right, my friend. There we go. Appreciate you, Dave. Nils Amon, Young Guns for the Canucks. Let's just finish this up so we don't have that happen again. Appreciate you, Dave. Teamwork, baby. Who's your favorite hockey team, Dave? Or do you have a player that you chase? Sweet. All right. Fun time. San Diego. Okay, sweet. I'm pretty surprised that San Diego. I've always thought the Ducks would relocate to San Diego. I'm kind of still surprised that they're not down there yet. Just with like the Southern California dominance that the Kings kind of have, like market share wise. Matt, who's your favorite player in the current NHL? And Jeremy, who's your favorite, my friend? My favorite is Patrick Marleau, but he does not play anymore, so that's my favorite of all time. Oh, the goals. That's right. That's right. Last year I worked for the San Jose Sharks minor league team with the Barracuda. And that's right, the goals. They played them a lot. I think you guys whooped us a lot. Nice to meet you too, Wolf. I believe we got that. It was Nils Amon. So appreciate you, Dave. And we should not have that happen again. I don't think I missed a Young Gun yesterday. Well, that's pretty sweet, though, because we got an extra one. I believe it is 6 per box. Home of the Young Guns since 1990. Golly, can you guys remember where you were in 1990? What you were doing? What you were thinking about? Maybe it was the first time you ever went to a hockey game back in 1990. Or maybe a hockey team relocated in the 90s? I don't know. A lot has happened in the NHL since 1990s, but pretty sweet that Young Guns started. The premier rookie card. For those in the NHL. What's that, Jake? Favorite all-time is Getzlav. Troy Terry. Big Ducks guy. There you go, Matt. You know, I've always liked the Ducks because of where they are in Anaheim, because I'm a big Angels fan. But since they always trash on the Sharks, it's always hard to like them, you know? Ryan Miller. Derek Roy. Very nice. Rock. Yep. McTavish is picking up some steam. That is for sure. And gotta love Zegras. Alright, so this is a Young Gun checklist. This is going to go to the Canadians. It is on the left side. Congratulations, Canadians. That's Young Gun number 1. We got a UD canvas. Mario Ferraro for the San Jose Sharks. He's not smiling in that picture because he's missing all his teeth. Got a Connor McDavid lunchbox. Very nice, Oilers. That's going to go to Nathan McKinnon and the Colorado Avalanche. Don't know why I said Avalanche so weird. That's a cool one. Day of the Cup. Or Day with the Cup. Andrei Vasilevsky, Lightning goalie. That's cool. And a Dazzlers, Eric Calger. Patrick Roy. I always say it wrong. I literally can never. I can see it. I can hear it in my head, but I always pronounce it terribly. Yeah, Zegras reminds me of young McDavid for some reason. I think it has to do with the stick handling. Walter Pustonen for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Young Guns, Nils Amon for the Canucks. He might show up in every box today. Congratulations, Canucks. Charlie McAvoy. UD Canvas, Phil Tomasino. for the Predators from Nashville. What's goody?
What's up? Did I tell you I hit a John Cena gold auto today?
Whoa, that's crazy. We got an Adam Huska Rangers Young Guns. That's sick. His auto look cool. I don't think I've ever seen it. Honestly, I've never seen John Cena.
At first, I was like, you're joking, right? And then you
Carter
said
Hart.
the second part. I was like, oh wait, you weren't joking the first part. The first part, and then you caught yourself.
Wait, was it not an auto?
It was a gold flashback.
Oh,
And-
sorry.
and-
For some reason, I
and-
heard you say
no,
auto.
no, bro.
Gotcha.
Here's
For
the
some
thing.
reason, I heard auto.
On the auto,
Declan Crystal Young
the
Gun
auto just
acetate.
had the ring. It didn't even have him in the photo, bro. It just had an empty ring, dude.
And it's authenticated or guaranteed.
Yeah.
UD canvas of Gabriel Landeskog for the Avalanche. Yeah, who do you hope that the Ducks are able to pick? No, I agree. It's cool that they got a lot of young guys, but they do need some older core. Caden Gooley, Young Gun for the Canadians. That's a sweet one. I know all of us Sharks fans are hoping for, what is it, Bedard? Connor Bedard, I believe is the top prospect. Ooh, Matty Bernier. I always say this wrong. Bernier, I think. Bernier. Beauty portraits of Dylan Sandberg. Wow. Population count 500 for the New York Rangers, Braden Schneider. That is sweet. We've got our first top load today. Yeah, I think he's going to be the undisputed #1, isn't he? Rightfully so. Wow. That is sweet. Congrats, Rangers. Very cool. There's that gold helmet we're talking about. There's Andrei Kuzmenko, Young Gun for the Canucks. Very nice 2 Wolf. A good amount of Canucks so far for you, Young Gun wise. UD Canvas, Ryan Lowe Riley for the Blues from St. Louis. Dallas Stars, postcard. Evander Kane. Jake Sanderson, Young Gun for the Senators. Very nice Ottawa. Ethan Prow. That is, okay, that's sick. That's the French version. French-Canadian version. That's cool. That's the first one I've seen. And I will not try and pronounce that. Unless anyone wants to send in the pronunciation. Yeah, I never want to get caught saying a word I don't know how to say it, you know? Lunchbox, Elias Lindholm for the Flames. I can definitely pronounce Young Gun. Brant Clark for Calder for the Kings. Sweet. Oh, yes they do. Yes they do. That's why I'm like, it stinks because before the season started and we didn't even have NFL products, I totally thought that the Niners were going to be a great price all year because Trey Lance wasn't a rookie anymore. And I had just liked Brock Purdy from college, so I thought he was going to be kind of sneaky. I knew he wasn't going to be in every checklist. And then we all know the NFL story with Brock Purdy, and it's nothing. So I understand your pain because I haven't been able to afford any breaks with the Niners. And my Sharks will be way expensive next year if they get him. But he is going to be one of those generational players. It's pretty cool, like the new draft class that everyone's getting. I mean, the football class has it's projected that 4 or 5 quarterbacks will be first rounders, so that's great. You got Bedard with, in hockey, that's going to be awesome. And, like, thinking about just personal hobby boxes, the chase for that's going to be fantastic. And then in basketball, we're going to have next year, we're going to have Victor Wembanyama in the NBA. His rookie card. And so across the board, it's going to be pretty sweet. And then if, in baseball, if Churio can make it, it's going to be pretty sweet in all the sports to have, like, a pretty, just foundational rookie class. But one thing that I have found that's pretty cool is that when there is a big rookie per team, they include a lot of vets from that team. So for my case, I'm hoping the Giants get some nice rookies because I love, like, just old Giants autos like Will Clark, Orlando Cepeda, Juan Marisol, what's his name, Gaylord Perry, all the statues. I would love a Willie Mays, but we know that auto won't show up. But so that is one thing that I do think is cool when the rookies are pretty heavy. I think we saw that a lot with the Jaguars when Trevor Lawrence was coming out. There was a lot of like early 2000s Jags included. But it totally is a double-edged sword. Oh yeah, totally agree. But that is the thing with Bowman draft. They are draft prospects, and you got to go through like what 3 or 4 stages in the minor leagues, at least 3. We don't get too many guys like Josh Hamilton or Bryce Harper that are ready at 19 or 18. But hopefully soon we will. I mean, the development of youth sports has come such a long way, and over the last decade alone, that I can imagine some 17 and 18 year olds, even in where basketball, 17 and 18 year olds are technically ready to go compete at the highest level. In baseball, we know that there's a big difference, and football, but I do think pretty soon we will start to see that shift. All right, box number 3, you guys. Let's get some young guns. Speaking of, there's a young gun, Casey Fitzgerald for the Sabres from Buffalo. Very nice. I really want to see another one in French Canadian. There's Trey Fix-Wolonsky for the Blue Jackets from Columbus, Ohio. There we go. Instant impressions. Chucky Bright Lights. That's sick. Charlie McAvoy. That is so cool. That's going to go to the Avalanche. We got a Young Guns for the Canadians. Brandon Baddock. Welcome in, everybody. Great to see y'all. Happy Friday. Wow, we got a Young Gun canvas. Linus Hogberg for the Flyers from Philadelphia. Top load that one ASAP. Other than Connor Bedard, who else is coming out for the NHL? I believe there's a Hughes brothers, and I hope you guys correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe there's still another Hughes brothers that's still in at Michigan, unless he's already been made it up. I might have asked that before actually, so I can definitely Google that. Linus Hogberg, canvas Young Gun, Young Guns of Cole Reinhardt for the Senators. Stacking up a lot of Young Guns for the Canadians, Senators, and Canucks. Very nice. Wow, that's sweet. Thomas Bordelot for the Sharks. Calder. That's cool. Dazzlers of rookie Thomas Bordelot for the Sharks. I thought he was still a rookie. Ben Myers, rookie portrait for the Avs. Young Guns for the Capitals, Lucas Johansson. Very nice. Let's go, Jake. I'm making you a Sharks supporter one day at a time, my friend. So one day win the cup, we can go to the parade together. Ryan Hartman, canvas for the Wild. Young gun, Philip Roofs for the Blackhawks. Here we go, Chicago. And an instant impressions, Leon Draisaitl. That's sweet for the Oilers. Oh, Jordan Stahl, acetate for the Hurricanes. That's what I'm talking about. I love these. Canvas, Sam Bennett. UD canvas, Elias Peterson. Checklist, Charlie McAvoy and Mo Sider. Lunchbox, Cole Caulfield for the Canadians. Young Guns, Brant Clark for the Kings. We've got a New Jersey postcard for the Devils. All right, box number 4. Box number 4. And guys, keep in mind, if you scroll up in the chat, our 5-box mixer, NHL mixer, which will have Series 1, Series 2, Extended Series. It's from the year 21 as well, 21-22. There's a box of Synergy Hobby and a Artifacts Hobby box. So we'll get some numbered hits, some Young Guns, and some artifacts like memorabilia, and hopefully an auto. So check that out, you guys. All teams have been discounted. You can find that on Mojobreak.com under the hockey section or on Breaks on Sale, that tab on the website Mojobreak.com. I hope to see all of you guys in it. And then we will have our personals today. I believe it's at 3:30. So also, if you do want to get in some personals, feel free. And if anyone wants a personal of Series 1, I can go ahead and make that. Just let me know and I can post that up, because I believe I forgot yesterday. Series 2. I think I said Series 1. So if you do want your own personal box, I'd be more than happy to create that posting, unless I did it yesterday, but I think it escaped my mind. And a little secret, guys, I have missed about 9 of those packs in a row. So let me clean up my feet real quick. All right, you guys. 22 left in artifacts, and teams have been discounted. All right, really appreciate you guys.
Yeah, so there's, you can see on the schedule, there's big mixers, football mixer and a baseball mixer.
All right.
You guys would probably like those.
So yeah, it is pinned in the chat. There's 22 teams left in our next artifacts.
You can put big mixers or something.
Perfect time to check that pinned link out is after we go through these cards when I'm opening up the next one. Well, there we go. Young Gun for the Kraken. What's crack-a-lackin'? Mr. Shane Wright, welcome to the party. Welcome in, everybody. Great to see you guys. Happy Friday, happy Friday, happy Friday. Dazzlers, Jake Sanderson. UD Portraits of Hayden Hodgson. Young Guns, Brandon Brandon Biro, Young Gun for the Sabres. UD Canvas, Igor Shesterkin for the Rangers. I love the canvas. John Lazzotti, Young Gun for the Wild, Minnesota Wild. Instant Impressions, Corey Perry. Man, remember when he was on the Ducks? I do, I have nightmares. This is sweet. Program of Excellence, Shane Wright for the Kraken. Canada Juniors, that's sick. UD Canvas of Robbie Fabry for the Red Wings. Elias Patterson Lunchbox. Young Guns, Jasper Froden for the Bruins. Andre Miller, Pyotr Kochitov for the Canes. Holy cow. For the Red Wings, Elmer Soderblom. 98 of 250, the MVP. Congrats, JKR. Welcome in, everybody. Pinned in the chat is our next break artifacts. All teams have been discounted. Yeah, I think it's kind of cool. But I do agree. It is odd and not expected. Samuel Poland, Penguins. I love the differences between Series 1 and Series 2. And then Extended Series even gets, like, more fun. UD Canvas, Young Guns, Pavel Regenda. Just top loading that one real quick. Alright. I think we're just going to put them all in our top load pile, so I don't want to waste too much of you guys' time. I don't want to waste any of your time at all, actually. Just want you guys to enjoy this show. Calder for the Canadians. Young Guns, Philip Crawl for the Maple Leafs. Take my break. Mitch Marner. Carter Hart canvas. Nick Bonino. Sweet. Alright, we're rolling. Alright, everybody, check out the pinned link in the chat. The Oilers just went, so teams are flying, guys. Appreciate you, Josh. So yeah, guys, now's the perfect time to check that pinned link in the chat. Go see what team y'all like. And I know we've been doing a lot of artifacts. Y'all probably know which teams hit a good amount, so check those out. Have a good amount at, I think there are some at $7 and a good amount are at $9, so check that out, y'all. Perfect time to do so is right now. And then I'll get our 5-box in the chat very soon. And then we got personals. All right, we back. All right, best of luck, you guys. UD Canvas, Andrew Magapane for the Flames on the canvas. And Young Gun, Ollie Lixell for the Flyers. Ollie. Oi, oi, oi. Also thought we were supposed to be pulling a Hundo P by now. Mad Sogard. Oh, that actually might be out of series. Well, that might be the 5-box mixer, huh? Thinking about it. Playing color lunchbox for the Coyotes. Young Guns for the Jets, Declan Chisholm. UD Canvas, Trevor Zegras for the Ducks. That's awesome. That's a cool pattern. No Kates. Young Guns, Arbor Jacke for the Canadians. Very nice one. And a Milan Lukic for the Flames. Instant. We got a rookie jersey. Is that Clayton color? Nope, it's Jack McBain. Rookie jersey. Very nice. That will be top loaded by our experts in the shipping department. UD Canvas, King Clancy. Young Guns for the Lightning, Nick Perbix. Perbix. I don't think the X is pronounced though. UD Canvas, Connor Sheary for the Capitals. Charlie McAvoy. Young Guns, Cole Koepka. Cole Koepka for the Lightning. 2 Lightning Young Guns in a row. That's pretty sweet. Nice Dazzlers. Rookie Portraits, Jordan Harris. Nikita Akutiuk for the Devils. Young Gun. Alright, last box mojo. Let's see it. Bring them out. Alright, everybody, check out that pinned link in the chat. And actually, right before I open this box, let me go ahead and put in our 5-box mixer. All teams have been discounted. Alright, appreciate you guys. Let's go, Jake. I'm happy and proud, my friend. Let's go. That's Eklund. Get you a nice Eklund out of artifacts. Appreciate you, Jake. You're the man. Welcome in, everybody. Hope y'all having a great day. Hey, that's sweet. Let me guess, the Oilers probably wiped them clean. And the Sharks away jerseys are, I think, like, the best away jerseys in the league. Alright, best of luck, everybody. Last box, Mojo. Y'all know what that means. Alright, best of luck, y'all. Young Gun Kevin Mamdalesi for the Senators. Trey Fix Wolowski for the Jackets. Portraits Nicholas Arzabusi for the Maple Leafs. Yeah, I didn't imagine so. Did McDavid or Draisaitl score a goal? You're probably going to say, like, hat trick. They both scored hat tricks. That's what I imagine happened. There we go. Young Guns for the Flyers. Linus Hogberg. And all Young Guns will be top-loaded. UD Canvas. Sergei Bobrovsky for the Florida Panthers. Honor roll, Shane Wright. Oh, I thought that was my guy, Uka Pekka. There's a Young Gun, Riley Walsh for the Devils. Svechnikov, instant impressions for the Hurricanes. Okay, Connor Sheary acetate for the Capitals. Sweet. Bless you. TJ Oshie, UD Canvas. That's a sick one to Brian Rust. Young Guns, Bokanonji Imama. Very nice for the Coyotes, Young Gun. Welcome in, everybody. We are on our last stack, so check it out. Our next break is pinned in the chat, and all teams have been discounted. Oh, we got a green acetate. Oh, highlighters of Jack Hughes himself. Very nice. For the Devils. That'll be top-loaded. That's sweet. That's what I'm talking about. Young Guns, Arbor, Jakic? Ekich? Akich. Golly, I gotta learn that. I gotta remember it. It's not as easy to say as McDavid. There's a postcard. Florida. And a UD. Wow, Matthew Barzal for the Islanders. That is sick. Nice canvas right there. Alright, last stack. For Calder Delinquenter for the Coyotes. UD Canvas, Caden Korzak, Program of Excellence. That's sick. I love those. And Karlstrom on a roll. Young Guns for the Oilers, Dmitry Samarukov. Very nice. Elvis Somerstorm with the Red Wings. Sweet. Alright, we made it. Really appreciate everybody. That is the conclusion of 2022-23 Upper Deck Series 2 NHL 6 Box Break PYT number 2.